Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel.
What's up guys? Hope you're doing good.
Today we have a few things planned. We are going to be doing the coilovers on the B8. We have our buddy Matt, who is actually behind the camera. We don't see him. He just pulled up. We have plans to go do a photo shoot with him today.
Well, we got a special person with us as well.
We do. Our resident mechanic, as you guys met in the first video, Brad. He's going to be joining us on our little adventures.
You see his level of happiness.
But we're going to go check out Matt's car. I'm going to link his Instagram and everything down in the description below so you guys can go follow him. He's a super dope photographer.
Give him a follow for sure.
Makes really nice pictures. He's going to be doing a lot of shots and stuff like that for us as well on the channel. So make sure you guys go shoot him a follow. And let's go take a look and see what's going on with him. All right, so this is Matt's car. Very interestingly wrapped Kia. Kind of cool nonetheless. If you look, check out the sparkle in that wrap. Like I said, I know it's not a Euro, but we will get him on that train sooner rather than later.
This will be Is it burbling?
It's, I don't know. What do you think?
I need to just slam that right now. There you go. That's what I
Whoa. All right, guys. We had plans to go with our buddy Matt over there and his sweet little Kia. We were gonna do a photo shoot. Now, Muhammad went and started his car and realized it didn't sound like anything. So he has now come up with the bright idea that we're gonna cut his muffler off. So I mean, I guess we'll see what happens. I personally don't think it's gonna make much of a change.
To the decision, we're gonna rebadge the GLI as
Gil,
because we got to give old Gil a chance,
okay.
and that's happening because we still have some gorilla tape.
You gotta flip the Volkswagen logo upside down too.
He'd get extra Euro points for that, extra scene points.
Gil.
What's up, my Gil? Okay, guys, we have a problem. There's no exhaust hangers to support that. I'm gonna cut a giant dump.
Do it.
Do big channel locks work or needle nose pliers?
Needle nose work. Those red, yeah, the red handle needle
The
nose.
decibel.
I just need to bend
You
it out
might
of the way
get
a
like
bit.
10 more decis. Ah, nice. Dump pipe completed. Oh, there it is.
So, for those of you wondering, what just happened? Our plan initially was to just completely cut the muffler off and then we were gonna weld some tips on it and a piece of piping later. But unfortunately, these cars don't have the proper hangers to be able to do that. What we just ended up doing, as you saw, was basically cutting a dump. Or like a little hole in between the muffler, the inlet and the piping. We just cut a little hole in it to try and get a little bit extra noise. Let's see what happened. It sort of works. Now, okay, it gargles and pops now.
Okay, how do we get it down by now?
It actually does not sound that bad. It actually sounds okay.
It gained some tone for little.
It did definitely gain some tone. Matt, what do you think?
I like it.
You like it? You give it a thumbs up?
For 2 minutes? Yeah.
For 2 minutes? For a 2-minute job? I think I'm gonna give it a thumbs up.
Quick flip.
Quick things. Oh, what do you think, Mohammed?
Sounds a lot better.
Yeah, you like it, huh?
I actually approve of that.
Yeah.
That sounds a lot better now.
There you go. It burbles and pops.
You joined my popcorn Kia.
Oh God.
Idea she farts.
Oh, it actually downshifts fine.
All right, guys. So unfortunately, Matt had to take off. He had a few errands that he had to run. He got a call, had to leave pretty quickly. So I'm actually gonna pass you guys off to Luca and Brad. I think Mohammed's gonna find it pretty funny. It's gonna be a good time. But let's pop over to them and we're gonna see what they're up to.
All right, we are on missions. What are we doing?
Giving O'Gill a chance. I'm pretty much just gonna rip his back.
Pretty much.
What? We ruined it.
Creator of creations. The Volkswagen G. Well, while Brad's doing that and hopefully doesn't cut himself, let's walk around and take a look at this interesting color. It's on an Indy 500.
It has no business to get there.
Just an absolute track monster.
I think
Okay.
I might have cut myself, I'm not sure, but... Oh, no, I did.
We're checking in back with Brad. Oh, he might have injured himself a little bit.
I'm just playing with a scalp. I'm gonna give O'Gill a chance.
So far we have this going.
We should have just left the L.
All right, let's take a look. Move over. Let's see. Old Gil. Let's go get Mohammed.
Oh,
Hello.
We got a surprise for you.
what's the surprise?
You ready? Remember how we were telling you that we always got to give old Gil a chance?
Yeah.
Look at your badge.
Oh, wow. Wow, you guys actually lined that up pretty well.
Because inevitably someone is going to let you know
About...
that your badge is backwards.
Oh, I'm
You have to literally tell them, I know. It's old Gil. Give old Gil a chance.
Yeah.
And
Can I
I'm
see-
saying, like, if I was driving behind you and I saw
that.
Gil, I would be so confused. What would you do if you saw a car that had this badge?
I would instantly just laugh, you know?
Give old Gil a chance.
Exactly.
Yeah, but no, nice. We're definitely gonna keep you guys in the loop. And tomorrow, we got coilovers going on in the B8. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna try and set it up for a happy median between autocross and a daily driver. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to doing the coilovers and letting you guys know what I think about them and how they ride and all. And you guys will come on the adventure with us.
All right, guys. Well, that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, make sure to click the notification bell and make sure you never miss an upload.
Also, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.